Okay, 2C, let's have a look at some double-digit addition questions. Now remember, there's two types of double-digit addition questions. One's where you have to regroup, and one's where you don't have to regroup. So here's two questions right here. The one on the left, 33 plus 22. I can tell I'm not going to have to regroup this one. Why? Because when I add the ones, the 3 and the 2 in the ones column, I get 5. So it's not a number over 9. So lots of room there, no problem, just straight addition. 3 plus 2 is 5. And then I go to my tens column. 3 plus 2 is 5. 55, look at that, my favorite number. All right, no regrouping there because my ones column, when I added it, didn't go over 9. Let's have a look now at a second question. Here, I can tell I'm going to have to regroup. Why? Because when I add 5 plus 6, it's 11. So that's over 9. I don't have enough room in my ones column for 11, so I'm going to put my 1 down here that's a 1. I'm going to carry my 1 that's a 10, and now I'm going to add my 10s. 5 plus 1 is 6, plus 1 more is 7, and my answer is 71. So there, I had to regroup. Next question. I'm going to take the same number that I had from the first question, 33 on the top there, but now I'm going to have to regroup even though it's 33 because I'm adding my ones. 3 plus 8 is 11. Oh, I used 11 again. I didn't mean to. Anyway, take that one that's a 1, put it in the ones column, take that one that's a 10 and carry it, and then I'm adding my 10s. 3 plus 1 is 4, plus 1 more, 51. Oh, nice. Notice how I have my 10s and my 1s nicely aligned. When I do this on with pencil and paper, make sure you're doing that if you're not printing off the questions in this assignment. Okay, let's go to another question here. Again, I'm using 55 at the top, just like I did over here, except this time I'm not going to have to regroup. How do I know? Well, when I add 5 plus 4, it's 9, so that's not a number that's over 9, so it will fit in the ones column. And then I'm going to go to my 10s and go 5 plus 2 is 7. Look at that. No regrouping involved there. As I like to say, nobody died, nobody cried, nobody lied, just straight addition. Now, there will be a bonus question in this assignment, and the bonus question will go over 100. So don't get tricked by that. Here's an example of one that goes over 100. So I'm adding my ones first. 8 plus 7 is 15. 5 below, carry the 1 for the 10s. Add my 10s now. 7 plus 1 is 8, plus 2 more is 10. Oh, I'm just going to write that 10 down right here. There we go. Don't get tricked by the ones that go over 100. Just go into that 100 column and then you will be fine. Again, couple of tips. If you're writing your questions down in a workbook or on a piece of paper, make sure your ones are lined up nicely and your 10s are lined up nicely like there, like here as well. Maybe not quite as good as here. I got a little lopsided there, but that is the key to your success. Oh, to your success, I should say. All right, there's addition, double-digit addition with regrouping and with not regrouping. Now I'm going to be giving you a whole sheet of questions to work on your own. They will have regrouping and not regrouping questions, so be careful. Good luck.